FortiCamera Cloud helps keep your premises secure with features such as people and face detection. Let's take a look at how these features work. How people and faces are detected can be configured within the Settings section of a selected camera. From here, simply select Detection. The first setting is part of the FortiCamera Analytics. This keeps track of how many people enter or leave a specific area or go over a crossing line. In this example, we've used the crossing line at the front entrance of a building. Line placement is easily edited by simply clicking and dragging the endpoints of the line to your desired location. With the crossing line now in place, you can start using the Analytics section to see how many people are coming into or going out of your premises. You can also view the occupancy level of your premises throughout the day. The next setting allows for tracking a person that meets your search attributes. Within the camera section, you can use motion detection to select your attributes and perform the search. Here, we've searched for someone wearing a hat that is male and has a main upper clothing color of black. Selecting a thumbnail allows you to easily view the recording of that person. FortiCamera can also perform searches based upon face detection and person of interest. This feature is also found within the motion detection section of a selected camera. Here you can perform a simple search within a specified time frame to see all detected faces and the associated recordings. You can also search upon a selected face and filter the results to match a single person. Searching for a person of interest can also be done within this section, allowing you to easily select and view any person of interest that has been recorded on this camera. Now, what if you've seen someone that has caught your interest and need to track them across multiple Forti cameras? You can take advantage of these same powerful search tools within the Activity Search section. By selecting which Forti cameras we'd like to track this person, we can now see their recorded activity on each Forti camera within the specified time period. This can be particularly helpful when trying to view activity from someone that meets selected attributes and where they were recorded throughout the selected time period. And that wraps up our quick look at people and face detection with FortiCamera Cloud. Thanks for watching.